Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, let me show you the dried results of my last painting. Now you can see right here, it's not even really a crack, it's more like a dent. You know why? Because there was way too much thick paint on the canvas. However, with a top coat of resin, echo. Excuse me. I have both boys down here. With a top coat of resin, that's not going to show. But it dried interestingly. The blue really took over. And yes, I did see at what point I dripped into the painting with my glove. Lesson learned, I will not do that again. So after I released this video, I got an email right away from one of my awesome clients who's bought lots of stuff from me, and she bought it and she wanted it. So here it is. And then I got another email from another awesome client that is also a repeat buyer, and she wanted it. And I said, sorry, it already sold. And I was so surprised because like here I am doing ring pour just for fun, messing around. And the painting sells so quick. And then I do a nice bloom or a blowout and I have them sitting in my studio for like 6 months and I can't get rid of them. Ooh, go figure. So that being said, my client said she really loved it, but because it had already sold, she wanted me to make another one, and try and do less blue. So I said, that's fine, I'll make another one, but I don't know, we all know how acrylic pouring works, especially ring pours. That's not necessarily how it's going to pan out. So today I'm doing another ring pour using the exact same colors, and this time I'm going to change it up and maybe hopefully we'll see actually what the outcome and the results are going to be if I change up the order. I made a lot more white this time, and that's it. These colors are done. Those prism pour bottles are empty. I got a lot of emails and a lot of comments from people saying, don't throw out the paint. I'll buy it off you. I'll come get it off your hands. I appreciate everybody who wanted to purchase the paint, but I have decided to keep it. I've decided to keep it, and I took people's advice in the comments who have used color art paints and prism pour and told me to put Floetrol in it, even though it says not to put Floetrol in it on the bottle. But I put Floetrol in it and made it a lot more, you can't see that. Made it a lot more fluid than what the other one was. So, I'm going to start off with this pearl color, and I'm going to use less blue. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you a few things, and you can fast forward, but then you might miss something. So first off, Dallas, Texas is literally there's a doggy here, right around the corner. And in like 2 weeks, I'm going to be flying out to good old Dallas to teach at the Fluid Art Experience. I think I'm going to go like this. Yeah, to teach at the Fluid Art Experience. And if you want tickets or you want information for that, you can go to www.fluidartexperience.com. And so, like I said, I'll be there March 14th to the 16th. I am teaching 6 classes. So here's the really scary part. And I'm upset and I'm freaking out, and this is where I could use everybody's prayers. I shipped 5 packages to Lee in Dallas, Texas, because that's where we're shipping all our stuff for the event. I shipped 5 packages. I shipped out the raffle piece that is going to be raffled off at the gala dinner. That beautiful piece that I did, the color split with Anthony's colors. I shipped that thing out on February 10th. Today is February 24th, and it has gone missing with Canada Post. I hate you, Canada Post. I hate every postal service. Come on. So it's missing. I had to submit a claim, a ticket claim, submit a claim for them to find it because it's missing. So I'm crossing and praying, crossing my fingers, praying that it shows up and arrives in time for the gala dinner so that somebody could win it at the gala dinner. Well, you think that's bad? Well, the other 4 that I shipped out, 2 of them are also lost. I don't know what's going on, but 2 of my other packages are now lost, which I also just submitted a claim for today. And I'm freaking out because the one box has all the little 10 by 10 canvases in them that I've pre-painted that people are going to learn to top coat on with resin. And that box has gone missing as well. So that is also lost. So I'm freaking out because without that, I don't know what I'm going to do. And then the box that has all my, my wood rounds with my metallic turtle stencils, that's gone missing too. And the other 2, one box is all my spinners, which thank goodness has made it over to the US. It's currently stuck at customs at the border, but it's in the US at least. So my spinners are in the US. Oh, this is like totally overflowing. So that's in the US. And then the paintings, oh gosh. Oh boy. The paintings that I shipped that I was going to sell at the gallery are also in the US. So guys, I'm freaking out here. This is a lot of paint for this canvas, but I don't care. I'll just tilt it all off. But I'm totally freaking out because 3 out of my 5 packages are missing. And I know I still have about 2.5 weeks left for Canada Post to find them and get their together because I'm losing my mind and I'm freaking out because I need those boxes for my classes. I need those to teach. And, you know, someone's going to be lucky enough to win that auction piece. And if it's not there, they have nothing to win. And I'm freaking out. So if you guys could say a little prayer or do a little dance or, you know, I don't know, but I'm freaking out and I'm like not even paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm like completely off centered here. This stuff is still really thick. But I don't know what to do anymore. Like, I mean, I made sure to ship this stuff well in advance because this happened to me 2 FAEs ago where my auction painting arrived the day before the auction. So I said, nope, moving forward, I'm going to ship everything like at least 5-6 weeks in advance. And that is what I did. And they're lost. So I'm freaking out. So I'm trying not to cry, but I'm like really freaking out. Look at that. So that's what's going on with me right now. I'm so excited, so excited to go to the Fluid Art Experience and teach and see all faces, new and old, familiar, whatever. And this is just really putting a big burden on me, and it's freaking me out. And you know, like I said, there's another 2 weeks, and now that I've submitted claim tickets, maybe Canada Post will get their act together and find them and have them shipped and delivered properly without damage. That's the other thing too. That's the other concern I have, is if they're lost, why are they lost? Did they get, who knows? I don't know. The point is, I'm freaking out. So, oh, someone said to me last time, you forgot to pop the bubbles before you tilted. And I'm gonna do that now. Pop the bubbles before I tilt. There we go. So, yeah. I'm just going to tilt this slowly. Eventually, at some point, when I'm done ranting and venting and being sad, I'll speed you guys up. But I also just wanted to remind my fellow viewers that April 12th, I will be in Montreal and I will be going back to Montreal with Anthony. We are going back to Montreal, and I'm gonna be teaching. And Anthony's gonna be my lovely Vanna White assistant. So, but yeah, heading to Montreal April 12th. So if you want to come and see me in Montreal, come and see me, and come and see Anthony too, and come and paint with me and learn. So, oh, I'm loving the center here. This is really cool. So yeah, April 12th, and then June 6 to 9, I'll be in Spokane, Washington with Billy from Fluid Art Co. And I'm going to be teaching at an all-inclusive retreat in Spokane, June 6th to 9th. So if you want to come and see me in Spokane for an all-inclusive, you can find the link for that in the description below the video. Oh, wow, all my sides are covered. That's awesome. Oh, yeah. This is cool. All right. Let's bring her back to the center. It's like a rose. Wow. I need to drop some more of this paint. There's just way too much paint on here. Let's bring her back. This is super cool. The paint skins that dried on my table were so thick, like crazy thick, stuck to the table. I think I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to do too much. Wow, what a difference. Oh my gosh, look at my hands. What a difference when you change up the order of the colors. Get that corner here. Get this corner here. Oh, my ankle just cracked. That's funny. Wow. All right. So that is super shimmery and lots of pearl, which is what my client wanted. She wanted to see a lot more of the pearl. So I hope this is what you like. Wow. Look at this. This is crazy. I'm having fun with these ring pours. I got a lot of more colors from Prism. I could do a nice fiery one. Ooh, would you want to see a ring pour with fiery red, orange, and yellows? Oh, that would be interesting. That would totally be interesting. That would be really cool. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a fiery pour. Yeah. See what I did there? I went around this time. I went around. All right, I guess I didn't speed you guys up, so no need for speeding up or music in this video. So I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty then, so here it is. Big difference in the center with the pearl. Now I don't have any more of it left. That was the end of the pearl. And then there's a lot of turquoise in this one. And again, my client said a little less blue than the other one. She loved the other one, hence why she emailed me about wanting to buy it, but it was already sold. But yeah, look at that. Lots of shimmer in here. There's going to be, I wonder if it's gonna ripple or crack like the other one. I don't think so. Or have that dent. That's the word I want to use, dent, because it didn't really crack. There's just like an indentation. So let's turn the lights off and check it out with the shimmer. All right, so it's very bright down here in the studio because it is a sunny day. It's like the warmest day we've had in a while. I think it's like 2 degrees, which is quite nice, but it is windy out there. It is so unbelievably windy outside. It's nuts. Very, very crazy. You can even, I don't think you can, but I can hear the wind whistling out there. But anywho, look at that shimmer, my friends. Look at that. The center is pretty cool. It looks like a rose. It looks so neat. Super duper neat. Oh, all right. So there it is. Let's see. Can I? Yeah, lots of shimmer in there. All righty. And there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you think of this one in the comments below. And this one is not available for purchase because it is a commissioned piece for my client. I hope she's watching. Hope she loves it. And let me know in the comments below, do you want to see a fiery red one with like maybe some burgundies or like wine color? I think that would look really cool because I've got like 3 or 4 different colors from the Prism Pour that I can do it in. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that is it. Come and see me in Dallas, Texas, Montreal, or Spokane, one of the 3. All the information for all those events is in the description below. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.